Hello, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will be learning how to build a slide view in SwiftUI. So let's get on. We will create a project, definitely iOS. We'll give the name like demo nav prj. Select a location. It's already selected in my case. Create. Okay, we have a demo project ready. Now we will integrate our slide view in the project. So to integrate the slide view, we have to get on the root view. So this is the root view, Windows Group content view. We go to the definition. This is the view defined over here. This is the content view, and it is controlled from here as the first screen of the app. Now we will be creating our own view. We'll just write the view below the content. Okay. So firstly, to make a slide view, we will take a enum menu items. Menu item, we'll create a string, case iterable, and identifiable. Okay. No, we will not take that all. First of all, the case is home. Okay. Second case is profile. Third one, settings. You can add as many as you want. We will give them an ID. Okay. For title, 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 string, and we will make them capitalized. Now we might need icons, so we'll take a variable icon string, open the braces, switch self. Now for the case home, see return home. It is giving me suggestions like profile for return person, settings for gear. We will take gear. Gear is the best option for that. Home. Okay. So enum is ready on the other hand. Now enum gives us type safe navigation. So you can scale up to 50 screens if you want. Like you have to just add the screens in the cases. Now we come to the second part. We will create a small views. Like suppose for the home view, struct home view. This defines a protocol view. Open the braces, var body, some view, and we will give it some text. Home view, right? We will give some font scheme, font large title. Okay. This does not conform to the protocol view. What's the problem? Let's see. Add steps require SwiftUI is imported at the top. What might went wrong? Okay, the V is small. The V should be capital over here. See, all the errors will vanish right now. Likewise, we will create. I'm just copying and paste for the profile and the settings. I'll change the names. Profile view, and settings view. I'll write here profile and here settings. Okay, we have all the three views ready in our case, and now we will work on the side menu logic. We'll create a new file, new empty file. I take the files from here only. Side menu view.swift. Okay. Firstly, we'll import the SwiftUI. Same struct side menu view, protocol view. Okay. Now we will define a body. body, some view. Okay, so to make see what we will be doing, we will make a view and we will layer it above the root views, like the profile, settings, and the home view in SwiftUI. In a let's see, I'll make it, you will know in the video. We'll take a VStack, alignment, leading. I'll take some spacing like 24 or something to 24. Okay, open the VStack. Now like text, menu should be capital, MENU. You can type anything, that's for me. Okay, dot font, dot large title, dot bold. Okay, I'll give it some padding from top, padding dot top comma 60. It will give it a padding of 60 from the top. Now we come to our menu items. So how we will iterate our menu items? We'll take a for each loop. We'll take menu item actually, menu item dot menu item, I was capital, I think so, yes, menu item dot all cases. We'll take a variable item in, enter, once again back. Okay, item in will create a button with animation. Okay, selected equal to item. So how will selected work? We have to create a binding variable for selected. But where do we create the state? We'll create the state on the way. Just we create a binding because the item will be coming from the next page on the selection. Binding where show menu, to show the menu, right? We'll take a bool. Okay, item trailing, yeah, I'm giving it the values right now. It will be selected. So what do we want? Show menu equal to false. Okay, I gave a spelling mistake right here. Okay, now it will be asking for a label, that's why it is not working fine right now. We'll create a label on the button. We'll open the braces. Let's give it a label. Label is item.title. It will be dynamic. And system image, we gave it already in the enum. Item.icon. The font should be, let's take title 2. Not that large, not that small. Dot, we'll give it a foreground style dot primary. This is the default style. Okay, something went wrong. Title comma, okay, the spacing over here, I gave it for a double time. Okay, all of this is done. For the for each, for the VStack alignment is up to here. I'll give a spacer. Okay, we will give some padding to our VStack, just padding, not anything. It will already take it from top, bottom, left and right. We'll give it a frame width of around 200, let's say. Dot background ultra thin material. I love this one, that's why. You can take a thick, thin, whatever you like. And most importantly, ignore safe area. it will automatically ignore the safe area. We have a view ready. Let's see if it is a, how can we see it? We will see it directly in the view. Okay, so now we have to create a container struct root view. Okay, defines a protocol view, var body, same thing, some view. Okay, ZStack for what actually? Yeah, we will be taking all our elements in a ZStack because we want an overlay above the view, and on the overlay we need to return the view. We will not navigate to the view, we will return the view in each case. So we were asking in the back in the video how we will get the state. We will get the state of state variable from here. We'll define a state variable. Yeah, see, it is giving me suggestions already. Select the dot home for the first view. Dot home is the first case, and the show menu is false. Okay, after this, in the body, let's create a ZStack. Okay, we'll give it some alignment leading. It depends on the use case. You can do whatever you want. Center means trailing, or I think for my use case it will be leading. I'll erase the rest, I don't need them. I'll open the braces and enter. Now we will put a navigation stack. Okay, now selected, we will be filling the content by our own. Okay, content view dot navigation title, selected dot title. Whatever we select will automatically get into the title. Dot toolbar item. We can decide the placement. The placement will be, so we were on the toolbar. The toolbar items placement, right? Yeah, the placement will be the navigation bar leading. So it will be dot navigation bar leading. Just it. We'll write the content by ourselves in the braces. Just remove the last part, open the brace and enter. We'll take a button inside. Again with animation. Show menu toggle, right? Now it will give us an error for the trailing parameter. That is always the label in these conditions. Label, open the bracket, image. We will provide the icon on which tab we want to open this view, or is split view, you can say. No, split view, no, side view. Okay, so we will take the system name. System image will be a system name M. Okay, we'll take the 3 horizontal line, right? Line dot 3 dot horizontal. Okay, we will get the icon on the way. Dot toolbar. Okay, I think I gave the closure in the long place. We'll just cut it out from here and we'll give the label over here. Okay, one thing is out. Did you mean to use a value of this type instead? Content view, maybe it is saying for the braces. Yeah, okay. Now after this, we have written our ZStack. Our navigation stack is over. After the navigation stack, we will write the menu logic. If show menu, we'll give some color like black dot opacity 0.35 or something. You can give whatever you like. Obviously don't ignore safe area. and we'll add an on tab gesture. On tab gesture with animation. No, we don't need that. We'll open our own brackets. Show menu equal to false. Okay, we'll provide it some index like z index. Controls the display order of overlapping views. So we'll give it like 1. Okay. After the if condition, we'll write our side menu view. We'll pass the selected. We'll pass our state, which is $selected. And for show menu, $show menu. Show menu. Okay. Let's give it some offset. Offset X. Show menu. Yeah, 0 minus 200. Fine, that's fine. We'll settle later if we get any issues. I'll provide it some Z index 2. Just preventing views from overlapping on each side. This is the closure. You can double tap on the bracket and see. Yeah, on the end of the ZStack, we will provide the gesture because we want the gesture to work over here. Gesture and edge swipe gesture. Edge swipe. SWIPE. After this closing trailer, we'll create our own gesture. Edge swipe gesture, some gesture, give it a drag gesture. On ended. Variable. If value dot start location dot x is less than 20 and value dot width is greater than 50, I'll take it 80. Show menu equal to true. It depends on how much you drag on the screen. Let's see how much will be required when we will run our app. Width is less than minus 80. Okay, it will go that much on the inside, like it comes 80 on the screen and 80 on the inside. We have created our drag gesture. We'll give our animation to the ZStack. It's like dot ease in out. Duration like 0.25 seconds. That's enough. I don't think we'll provide some value. Show menu. Done. For this case, it was giving us errors previously, but we will not be taking the content view. We will create our own view builder right now. We will write a view builder where content view, some view right away. We'll take a switch case in selected. It is for home case, we'll go to home view. For profile, we'll go to profile view, and for settings, we will go to settings view. And now we will remove and make it small. Now it will not throw us errors, I believe. Jump to definition. Something is wrong again. I forgot the T. Content view. Yeah, now it is perfectly aligned. 90% of the structure is ready. Now we will write the logic. We will just remove this and put the root view in action. Okay, let's run the app and check it out ourselves. Select the 17. Run. Okay, you see this? This is the trailing icon we gave the line 3 side menu view. You remember? I remember this one, line 3 dot horizontal. On the tap of this icon, see the view comes sliding out from the left side. This is the default tint color. We did not provide any tint color. If we want, we can, but I think this is good. See, this is the 80 and minus 80. Now I will swipe from the left, the 80, not 80. See. Okay, so we will decorate the home view a bit. So we will take a image here, system image, system name, right? We'll take house. House is enough. Dot resizable. Okay. Dot frame. We'll take width of 100, comma height of 100. Okay, let's run it. Oh, something is wrong. We see the two bars over here. It's not actually wrong, it came out wrong. We'll create a VStack. It's just getting inside another view. It will run perfectly. We'll get some color, foreground style. Yeah, see. Dot form style, not foreground style. Foreground style. Dot green. Okay, let's take it is inside the VStack, right? We'll create a spacer to make things go up, to automatically align it upside. Create a button. Action, right? We'll write like navigate equal to true. We'll create a navigation over here. We'll take a state var. Navigate will equal to false. Okay. Yeah, label. Should be navigate. Okay. Expected closure trailing. One is closed from here. Get this second double. Okay. All both issues solved. I'll create a navigation link. Destination is profile view. Missing argument. We'll say localized. No, this is not the argument we are finding for. Destination is active. There is something like is active. It's active. Navigate. What might be missing? Did I forget to use a navigation link? Let's see the title, destination view label is active destination. Okay, we'll use that one. We'll give it a title. Profile is active is our binding bool navigate. Destination is profile view. Now we will run this app. Still something is missing. Apply. Okay. Title does not need a. There is nothing like profile view. Wonderful. Oh, sorry. I wrote it wrong actually. This will be here and the navigation will be here. We'll close this one, close the bracket, dollar, navigate, run the app. Oh, it was deprecated. We'll see. Navigate to profile view, navigate to profile, label, navigate. Okay, this is the button. Okay. We can provide a navigation without the button. On both the cases, it navigates good. We'll give it some padding. Dot frame width will be like 300. Height is 50. Dot background. Background will be like, we take it blue. Dot blue. 50. Dot corner radius. 12 is enough. Let's see how it looks now. Well, blue might not blend well. Okay, it is working great by the way. Mhm. So if we remove this, what is the case? Okay, it needs something. We will not remove it, but we will remove the profile from here, and here we have given it blue. Blue is not the best. Okay, we'll give it a foreground color. Foreground style dot white dot font dot large title. Okay, navigate, navigate. Good. That's all for today. So we build a side menu view actually, how it works and how it navigate for home profile and settings. Thank you very much. Stay tuned for more.